So Mary, I'd like to take you through this exercise, just to looking at the various problems that you might feel you're facing at the moment, and things that you might feel you need help to solve. And oftentimes when we've got problems sort of swirling around in our heads, we find that it might make us feel a bit overwhelmed because we don't have any structure. We just feel like we just don't know how to approach them because they're just kind of all swirling around. So a good way of creating this structure and helping with the feeling of overwhelm is to actually write them down. So what I would like for you to do now is to just list off the top of your head problems that you feel like, problems that you have and that you'd like to solve, and just write down whatever comes to mind, and we can then go from smallest to largest and look at how we can solve these problems.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Do I need to do many, or just how?
Whatever comes to mind that the ones that are most pressing to you at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah.
I think that's about it.
Okay, so what kind of things have we put on there?
So I don't have that much. I feel as I don't have enough time to do all my housework or keep my house in order.
Okay.
I also find it hard to get motivated to exercise. Because I know I need to keep healthy, but in order to keep healthy, I need to do exercise, and I just don't know how to solve that one because it's like a vicious circle.
Mm-hmm.
I have a rather large credit card that I'm a little bit worried about. I have a car that possibly needs some repairs. I don't know how much it's going to cost. It's just this problem. I don't want to be without a car, and I need my car. I have a sick friend I haven't visited, and I'm really concerned about her. And I also have a relative that's ill that I'm very worried about, and it's just this constant problem of what's going to happen. Okay,
great. So if we go through these one by one, and we can start, you've asked yourself, what are my problems? If we go through them one by one and just ask yourself, how can I solve this problem? Okay. And then we can work together on finding it step by step. So for example, the no time to do any housework. Yes. How do you feel you can solve this problem?
I don't know. I suppose, I might be able to sort of allocate some time during the week. Yeah, it would probably have to be an allocation of time. Say, for example, on a Friday when I get back from work, maybe spend 2 hours, 3 hours doing everything I need to. Then it's allocated. Mm-hmm. So I might be able to do it that way.
Do you feel that would work for you to allocate a time? Do you feel that structure is what you need to be able to make time for it?
I think so, because it just doesn't get done if I don't say, I need to do it now.
Okay.
If I don't incorporate it into my schedule, then I won't have time to do it. So, I think that would work if I just set one day aside or one evening aside, and I get it all over and done with.
So what can we write down there in terms of solving this problem?
Just create...
Allocated time.
Allocated time, yeah.
Yeah.